Right, it's on. Really wanted to bring you back and show you me actually put it on, but once I got going I didn't want it to cool down and get stuck, so I just carried on. As you can see, it's as you can see now, it's on quite a way. I've got my two locking nuts there. I've got two more to go on this side, and then I'm ready to mount the motor, put the belt on and give it a whirl. I'll go get the motor and put it alongside so you see what it's going to look like. Excuse me. Right, so that's going to go on there. Where did I put the pulley? I put it somewhere. Oh, there it is. So the pulley will go in there like that. Not all the way down, obviously there'll be a gap. And then the belt will go on there and on there. Get in there. Go on, get on. If this belt turns out to be too small, no, it's alright. But anyway, you get the general idea. Motor will be there. It'll turn that and then turn the Z-axis shaft. Back over there a bit more. Okay. Nice powerful motor, these. Right. So the next job then is to put the belt on, fix it in position, and give it a whirl. So we'll go and do that a little bit now, and you'll be able to hopefully see it in operation. Because all I'm going to do now is put these nuts as before. Yeah, as before. That's going to go right up tight to the pulley. Lock nut. Spanners are easier, but as I say, I haven't got spanners this size. That's locked up. I'll bring the other one up. Try and keep this on camera so you can see what I'm doing. Right. What we're going to do is lock that up tight to the pulley. Then that lock washer, I have to redo that one. There we go. Right, this could be fun. Right, the best way of doing this. Not that way. Yeah, I'm going to have to do it that way. Because that's locked up against the pulley, I can now hold on to the here is just take that back a fraction. Hold that one there and do this one. I'm hoping to buy some spanners at the weekend so I can make sure everything's tight. But there you go. It's not 100% parallel, but I'd say that was 99%, which is good enough for me. Okay, so we'll get the fixings done for the motor, put the belt on, and then we'll do a test. Alright peeps, see you in a bit.